My name is Jessica Lubell-Brand, and I'm a horticulturalist. I'm a professor here at UConn, and my research is focused on enhancing nursery crop production. I've focused on native plants in the past, and currently I'm looking at alternative substrates that are renewable and more sustainable for growing plants in containers. Specifically, we're looking to use hemp hurd fiber, which is a byproduct of the cannabis plant. So peat moss is probably the most common used substrate for container plant production, but it is mined from bogs. The US gets most of their peat from bogs in Canada. And when you mine the bog, it doesn't renew quickly. It takes thousands of years for a bog to form. The hurd, it's a blend, so the hurd comes from the stalk, it's dried, then it's blended to a fine particle size, and then it's worked in with other media components. So there's a lot of it probably left over from the fiber market. I see it being used from flower growers as well. They don't sell the stem, so it's a big byproduct.